Hey guys, welcome back to Beyond the Lab, another episode. I'm Jeff.
I'm Zeph.
And today we're joined by special guest Faith. Alright, so Zeph, what do you think we're doing today?
Well, I think we're doing an unboxing today. We got two products that we're gonna unbox. One is the GoPro 7, and the other is the Blue Yeti mic. So, without further ado, let's get into the unboxings. We're gonna be doing surgery. Jeff, scissor thing.
That's not a scissor thing, but okay.
The knife of Exacto.
Knife of exactness.
Seriously.
Bypassing the major artery. We're losing him, doctor.
Not on my
Losing him.
watch.
Surgery successful.
Don't need that. Now, this is the GoPro 7. One of its many features is it's waterproof. 33 feet, which is 10 meters of water, 10 MP, touchscreen, times 2 slow-mo, and 1080p 60. Let's see what this baby has inside.
Is it open from the top?
No, it does not. It opens from the bottom, like so. Ready?
Nice.
There we go. Now, the instruction, I believe. Yes, sir.
Have questions? Many. What do you ask? Vos avez des questions? Discutez avec
Ooh,
nos experts.
wait, this is GoPro stickers, yo.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Here's the actual instruction manual.
We gotta read this entire thing. What
What's
the heck
this?
is that? Is that like an eye patch? You know, I took some tape and...
Arr. It's charging cable. Let's get to the nitty gritty. Now,
I think it should just attach from
there's instructions on the back.
Oh, what do you know?
Somebody hold the front facing camera so it doesn't yeet off. And then slide it off.
Oh, okay. It's coming,
Hey.
it's coming. Yeah.
Come on.
Nice.
Hey, this is the camera.
Oh, mounting platform. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, you mount it.
Makes
Okay,
sense.
cool.
This is going to be great quality. Get ready for
The Yeti mic.
the Yeti microphone. We've all seen it on YouTube. This big guy we are going to be opening today. So, surgery pieces, please.
First incision. Careful, doctor.
Let's do it. The Blue Yeti microphone.
Nice.
Now, let's see. On the back, you've got your many functions and aspects of the mic, and also, if you turn it that way, the different settings and features. Oh, looks like we're gonna have to make another incision. Careful. Are you ready?
Y'all ready for this?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Fancy.
Yay! More incisions are needed.
Another one.
Alright, here we go. We got the charging cable, Jeff, if you please. The Blue Yeti instructions. Look at that. Some more paper. And now, without further ado, the real deal. If it's willing to come out. Here it is, guys. The mic. Dun, 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 dun. Here it is. Wow. It's
It's
a little
fancy.
bit. It's really
Upside down.
Yeah. This is its upside down position, and if we turn it like so.
Alright, guys.
the mic tried to kill me. Wow. Actually, it's pretty heavy. Wow. This mic has a volume switch, and then you can up and down the volume. Also, it has a mute button. We're getting to the back of the mic. which here is the different settings for the mic. And also you can set your gain on this thing. So this is a pretty cool feature. Let's tilt the mic a little bit down. And as you can see, there's the mic holder for, let's see, if you want to mount it to a stand or something. And then your headphone jack, and then the USB port right there that you can plug this thing in. So basically this is a frontward facing mic. What I've seen a lot of YouTubers do is talk to it like this. And you're not supposed to talk to it like this. You're supposed to talk into it like this. We'll review in depth of these projects. If you want to see us, get more in depth to these. Yes,
Yeah, I'll show you guys how to use it specifically.
Yes. Well, it's been fun, guys, opening these stuff with us. I can't wait to try these out. Are you, Jeff?
Yes, I'm extremely excited.
Yes.
To bring you guys quality content because we care.
Yes. For more
Let's
clips.
go.
Well, it was fun having Faith here.
It was.
Go follow her on Instagram. Her Instagram is
Either
right there.
right
Yeah.
here. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm Jeff.
I'm Zeth.
I'm Faith.
And we'll see you later on
Out of the lab. We did it again.
That's enough.
3, 2,
Beyond the lab.
there we go.